Hi, and welcome back to another demonstration. This time we're going to be looking at the head shape, and just to let you know that these videos I've been doing the last few days are more for you to see the technique of how I do it as opposed to a full-on caricature. So you're just really seeing how I hold my pen, that kind of thing. But before I do that, I'm going to show you when someone sits down what I'm actually looking for. And like in this case, I'm looking at this guy and it's a triangle shape. I mean, the minute that he sat down, triangle shape. This young woman, when she sat down, I saw a heart. And after I saw that heart, I couldn't unsee it, okay? So it was like etched in my mind. When I saw this guy, of course, I'll see a box. I saw a box. This one was also a triangle that I looked at, that I noticed. And so when I'm scanning someone and I got them into a basic shape, I can't get it out of my head. Okay, so I have a good foundation there. So let's look at this first guy. Okay, he quite obviously has a triangle, doesn't he? Okay, so I'm going to draw the triangle. Okay, ears. We're going to do a little widow's peak right there. And I'm going to continue the triangle because that's what he's got going there. And that's basically this guy, okay? So let me draw Now this isn't my normal formula. When I draw someone, I usually start with the eyes and everything. This is just the head shape technique. Okay, I'm going to give him a little squarish chin there. I'm going to go here and it's going to be a sharp. I'm giving him a sharp edged cheekbone. Just going to come straight there. Just do the same thing there. Come straight down there. Give him those little ears. Okay. This is the hairline. Little widow's peak. Okay, I'm going to make sure I go straight up like that. Straight up like that. So I basically got the guy, okay? I basically have him there already. Going to give him a little pencil neck. And you can see just from the head shape and how strong the head shape is, it already starts to look like the guy. Everything else is window dressing. When I get the elements like distinct eyebrows, his big eyes with the little eyelashes underneath, it'll really look like him, okay? So let's go to another one. And we'll go with this guy here. And what do you see there? Okay. This guy's got a box. Okay, he's got a box. So I'm going to make sure I maintain that squarish box thing going there. I'm going to de-emphasize the top of his head to actually overemphasize squarishness. His ear will be somewhere there. Okay. All right, so like, you know, once you've seen the shape and you put it on there, even this, what do you call it, this just pencil sketch kind of already looks like him. And I'm not going to deal too much with the his facial hair. I'm just going to just try and maintain the shape. Okay, and just get his ears in there just for laughs. Okay. All right, I'm going to make sure he has that rounded part right there on top. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And I'm going to like this, and I'm going to actually go with a thinner line here. And I can go back and, we'll say, finesse the sides It's like a sideburn, that kind of thing. So this already looks like the guy, right? I mean, I'm going to give him not a super thick neck, but a thick neck. Okay. Yeah, and once you get the other stuff that, you know, the hair, that kind of thing, the facial hair, by the way, which would be a shape also, and it really starts to look like him. So when I put the glasses and the eyebrows, yeah. Okay, so let's go to another one. Yeah, let's see here. Okay, this dude here, when he sat down, I couldn't wait to draw him, okay? He has such a distinct head shape. So here we go with this guy. Okay. See the long ellipse he's got going there? Okay. And yeah, that's right away when I saw his ellipse head, I just couldn't wait to do it. So, okay, so. Okay, he has kind of a triangle chin. Okay, and in this guy's case, I'm actually gonna not man him up a little bit because it would take away from the likeness. I'm actually gonna give him a soft jawline or cheekbone area. Okay, I'm gonna put his head on there. Let's see. And he has kind of a long neck. I'm gonna do that, give him that long neck. Okay. So you can see it. It looks like him, okay? And I haven't drawn anything on the inside. So, you know, I can start adding stuff and would give increased likeness, but I'm not going to do that right now. So let's take a look at this last one. This last one I'm going to draw a female head shape. And, okay, let's take a look at her. And even though this is a head shape thing, I can't get away from looking at her direction of her eyes. It just, to me, that was it shouts at me, the way her eyes go in like this, and the big lips kind of thing. Okay, so the way I'm going to interpret her is I'm going to give her small chin. I'm going to make sure I go really high here. Give her an extra big forehead. Okay. For likeness. All right. Love messy buns. Okay. So she has kind of a squarish chin. Okay. And I'm going to follow basically the shape that I drew. I'm gonna not go so high on the widow's peak after all. Let's see here. Her ears. Okay. And you'll see that, you know, you can notice that I do I try to keep lines pretty basic. I try not to do too much nuance on the shapes because I can always go back and mess with it, you know. And then the messy bun. I love messy buns. I'm going to give her a thinner neck. I don't know if you can see that. I have a thinner neck. But you can see that was a strong head shape. I can go back and fix it if I want. You got a good likeness, okay? So thank you for joining me. There will be other videos. Some will emphasize, well, the one I'm going to do, the next video is going to be a full-on, the whole face and everything. But, you know, once you got the head shape, it's for you to mess up at that point. Okay. So, all right, thanks for joining me, and we'll see you later. Bye.